Yes, hello, it's Spooky Lake Month where we're doing 31 days of haunted hydrology. And today I want to talk about that one time that we dumped 2 million tires into the ocean. Off the coast of Fort Lauderdale, Florida, lies a haunting monument to good intentions that has gone totally wrong. By the 1970s, the US was discarding around 200 million used tires each year, and landfills were overflowing. At the same time, artificial reefs were all the rage, and Florida decided to kill two birds with one stone by getting rid of their tire problem and helping the ocean. By 1972, the Osborne Tire Reef Project was approved, and they bundled together almost 2 million old tires using steel wire and nylon straps. Tires were loaded onto barges where they took them about a mile offshore and dropped them into 70 feet of water. A Goodyear blimp even flew overhead and dropped a golden tire to christen the new reef. It only took a few years for people to start realizing what a bad idea this was. Saltwater corroded the steel fastenings, and the tires came apart and began floating around the ocean floor. Every storm that came through rolled the tires like bowling balls, smashing into coral, destroying actual natural reef, and smothering marine life in rubber. Also, as these tires deteriorate, they release trace amounts of heavy metals and hydrocarbons into the surrounding ocean. By the 1990s, hurricanes were washing tens of thousands of these tires onto Florida beaches. Cleanup began in 2001, but it was painfully slow and expensive. Divers removed around 1,700 tires at a cost of $17 per tire. It was estimated that it would cost some $30 million to remove all 2 million tires. The US military did try to help, and by 2009, 70,000 tires were removed successfully. Since then, private contractors and environmental groups like 4Ocean have worked to remove the tires one load at a time. However, estimates say there could be between 700,000 and a million of these tires still residing on the sea floor. This graveyard of rubber ghosts that have haunted the Florida coastline for more than half a century is 5 out of 10 spookies.